In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then click on All Services. Click on Autofill. Autofill with Google. And Google Password Manager. Finally, click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Lastly, click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!